So hello guys, welcome to the vlog. And as you can see by the last one, if you've watched the last one that is, if not, please go back and watch it because it'll understand why I'm here. We're in Lanzarote and we're here to do a bit of plane spotting. I got some inside information off a friend. Thank you, Mr. Andy Brownwill, for the saying it's not such a far walk to the end of the airfield catching plane spotting. So I thought, what the hell, I've got time to kill. Let's go and watch some planes.